All right, grade 7s, we're going to do some area of irregular shapes. So we're going to make use of our formulas that you were using. And this is a review to grade 6, because that's what they're doing right now. We've got area of a square, area of a triangle. So area is length times width of your shape, and it's in square units with a little 2 there. Now when you're finding out a area of a triangle, you're actually figuring out the area of it as a square and then taking half of it, because half of a square is a triangle, and then you will get your area of that space, and then you add them together to get your total area. So what you'll be doing on this sheet is breaking down the shape into manageable parts. So for example, 1A, you could do it this way. I would put a line right across here, and I have a triangle up here and then a rectangle down here. Now, what is the height from here to here? Because you'll need to have the height, because area is 1/2 base times height. Okay, I'll just move this over a little bit so that it's in the camera. So if this entire thing is 10 feet high, and from here to here is 3 feet high, I would just think in my head, well, what's 10 minus 3? That equals 7. So my height will be 7 feet. So then what is my distance from here to here? I could make 2 triangles and figure it out, or I can just use the entire distance of 8 feet because it's a rectangle. So the first thing we'll be doing, and I'll use a little scrap paper here, we're going to find the area of the rectangle, which is 8 feet times 3 feet. And that equals 24 feet squared, with the little 2 up there. Now let's find out the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. So the base is 8 feet times 7 feet. And let's just do 8 times 7 is 56 feet squared. And let's take half of that, and that will be 28 feet squared. So I found each space, found this one and this one. Now I just add them together, and 24 plus 28 is 52 feet squared. So you're going to look at the best way to break these up. Like for this one, I could have a small square here and the rectangle, or I could break it up over here and have 2 rectangles. It's up to you. This is just straight calculations of your triangle. This one, you could figure out the triangle separately and then do the rectangle. And these are separate here. You'll have to do some calculations to find out how long each base and height is. Okay, so for this one, from here to here is 4 miles. And from here to here is 2 miles. This means this section and this section are 1 meter each, because this will be 2 miles from here to here. Okay, and break these down again, however you would like to make them easier. Okay, and that is it for area of irregular shapes. And don't forget, well, they're putting square feet here for you. If you want, you could put feet squared, yards square, whichever you think will work. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.